last week you learned a lot about how to count up to 50 using a 50 square and how to count objects to 50 by counting the tens and then counting on the ones. Now today in our maths lesson we're going to be learning how to count forwards and backwards within 50. Okay, have your 50 square ready in front of you to help you with this first activity. This is just our starter. And it's our dizzy finger. So we've got Fred here. Fred has a challenge for us. We need to be counting forwards and backwards within 50, but we're going to start at lots of different numbers. So I have my 50 square here. I'm going to close my eyes and point to a number. And we're going to have a go at counting forwards from that number and backwards from that number. Are we ready? Oh, I've landed on 8. Let's count forwards from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's stop there. Right, I'm going to close my eyes and have another one. 37. Let's count backwards from 37 to 29. Okay, count with me. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. Okay, another go. 23. Let's count backwards from 23 to 15. Are you ready? 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. One more go. 46. Let's count from 46 to 50. 47, 48, 49, 50. Can we go backwards from 50 to 41? 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Can you carry on playing this game with your own 50 squares? So close your eyes, point to a number and practice counting forwards and backwards to other numbers on your 50 square. Okay, when you've practiced learning a lot more about how to count forwards and backwards within 50, that's really going to help you with today's challenge, because today we are finding missing numbers in a number track or a 50 square. Here I have a number track and I have some numbers missing. We need to find out what those missing numbers are so we can fill them in. To do this, I need to work out whether I'm counting forwards or backwards on my number track. So I have 28, I know that one, 31 and 33. Am I counting forwards or am I counting backwards? Pause the video and have a think. I'm counting forwards, aren't I? The numbers are getting greater as they go along. Okay, and I can see 31, something's missing, then 33. So how many do you think we're adding on each time? We're adding 1 on each time, aren't we? So how can we work out what the answer is? Well, we can use a 50 square and find that first number and last number and work out the ones in the middle. We can also count on from that number that we were given. So let's have a go at that one first. I start with 28. What is 1 more than 28? 29, that's right. The 10s stay the same, but I add 1 more to my ones column. Can you see? The ones have changed from 8, add 1 is 9. What comes next? Let's go back and count to help us. 28, 29, 30. Because I have 9 ones, when I have 9 ones and I add one more, that would give me 10 ones, wouldn't it? And that's not right. I would need to move those 10 over to my tens column. So that tens column has got bigger now. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That's right. I've added one more to that ones column. 32, 33. Now to keep checking, you can keep on going back to the beginning and counting on. Okay, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Now here is one for you to have a go at by yourself. So just like before, I want you to try and work out, are we counting forwards or backwards? How can we work out the answers? Well, we know that once we've found out whether we're going forwards and backwards, we start here and we try and find the next number. You've also got your 50 squares to help you if you get stuck. So have a go now. Okay, the numbers are getting smaller, aren't we? We've got 40. I know 38 is less than 40. I know 37 is less than 38. I can also see from 38 to 37, we're taking away 1. So the numbers are going down each time, 1 less each time. So if we're counting backwards, we go 40. What comes before 40? 39. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning to check. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. I'm taking 1 away from my ones column. Well done if you got that right. Now we have a bigger number track. On our stepping stones we have numbers from 1 all the way up to 35. There are some numbers missing though, and I want you to help me find those missing numbers. So, first one I want you to find is the number that the frog is hiding. How are we going to find out what number the frog is hiding? Can you pause the video and have a think? Okay, well I can see that there is a pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting forwards in ones. So I need the next number after 29, don't I? Because I'm looking at the frog, see that 29 comes before it, so I need to add 1 on to 29. What is 1 more than 29? 30. 30, because when I add 1 more, then I would have 10 ones, so I add onto the 10 and it will become 30. And I can check by counting 28, 29, 30, 31. That sounds right, doesn't it? Adding 1 more each time. Now, can you work out what number the pond is hiding? Pause the video and have a go. The pond is hiding the number 26. I need to add 1 on to 25. My ones column will change this time and it will become 26. And to check, you can use your 50 square and you can also count on 24, 25, 26, 27. And the last one is this lily pad here, which is hiding a number. Pause the video and work out which number is under that lily pad. It is 32, isn't it? We know that when we add 1 more to 31, the ones column changes and it becomes 32. 31, 32, 33, 34. If you're ever stuck with this today, remember to use your complete 50 square to help you and keep on counting on. On your worksheet today, you're going to have some 50 squares and each 50 square will have some numbers missing and you need to fill in those missing numbers. The first 50 square that you have is here on the board, so we're going to do this one together and then you can do the last 2 by yourself. Okay, so we need to find the missing numbers. How can we work this out? Well, I know it's a 50 square, so I know that we're counting forwards in ones. So I can see there's one missing here. How are we going to work this out? Pause the video and have a little think. Okay, so I'm adding one more. I can see that in my ones column I have 5. If I add one more to that 5, it will become 6. But I mustn't forget to put my 10s on. They all have 1 10, don't they, in this column? So the number is 16. And to check, I can go back and count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, there's one missing here. Pause the video and find the missing number. The missing number is 22. Did you get it right? Our 10s stay the same, but we add one more to our 1 column. 1, add another 1, makes 2. And we can count 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, that's right. What about this one here? Have a little think, pause the video, fill it in. Okay, remember the numbers at the end here are when we have a complete 10. So we have our 10 across here. We did have 3 10s. When we've added our other 10, we will have 4 10s. Okay, can you see that pattern down here? And let's count along to check. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And one more. Can you find the missing number here? It's 43, isn't it? We have 4 10s, but we added one more to our ones column, so it became 43. Okay, now it's your job to do the next 2 50 squares by yourself and fill in those missing numbers.